Today, social media is even more centralized than the financial industry was prior to the creation of Bitcoin. A handful of private companies effectively control public discourse and earn monopoly profits off of content that they don't even create. Even a post submitted to Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter belongs to these corporations, rather than the creator who posted it. Similarly, monetization goes predominantly to these corporations. All this is possible with DESO Decentralized Social blockchain development. DESO provides a decentralized environment where users can manage all aspects of their social network and own their data. It offers scalability for social media applications at significantly lower costs than other blockchains like Ethereum. Today, enterprises are looking forward to building DESO apps for high revenue. If you are one of them, we've got you covered. Here are some features of DESO that made it successful. Hybrid proof-of-work consensus. By using a POW model, the blockchain is able to maintain high levels of security while using considerably less energy than other major blockchains. Social graphs. A social graph illustrates the connections between users, groups, and organizations on a social network. With decentralized social media, all user data is open. Hypersync x DESO. Most blockchains are designed to store light amounts of data for efficiency. While DeFi protocols typically only need a few bytes of storage space, social applications require infinite amounts of data. Every transaction contained within the block is downloaded. Infinite state applications. When it comes to the amount of storage space required for large social media networks, blockchain technology typically can't keep up. The DESO platform uses a custom-built complex system of indexes to increase scaling. DESO Identity Service allows users to easily store key pairs, or credentials, in applications built on the DESO platform. The DESO blockchain brings more ways to unlock creators' true potential. Deciding whether or not DESO is a good investment will depend on several factors, the biggest of which is determining how major social media networks adapt and incorporate Web3 technology. Well, the pendulum will swing back toward decentralization again and again. Blocktunix can help you build such apps that will bring competition and innovation back to social media. So what are you looking for? Don't waste a single second and get along with us on this journey. We all have an opportunity to be a part of the revolution. Join hands with Blocktunix.